Yeah, the throttle's a little hard to push. We need to, but doesn't, and it feels like it just handles like
oh my gosh, this handles better than my SUV.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's like it just hugs the road.
And a little bit of, we're in 4th gear now, I believe, the top gear, and it's got plenty of pickup, huh?
Yeah.
Of course, my daughter's not going to show us what kind of pickup it has. But yeah, boy, look at us, we're flying along. Look at oh, this is weird. This seems like the nicest one yet, doesn't it?
This is really weird.
I mean, it's got lots of pep and lots of pep. Jeez.
That pedal's a problem.
Yeah, the pedal needs to be worked so that it. Are you going home already?
Well, all right.
Yeah, let's drive around. Oh, we wanted to look at the ant. This is what was so impressive to me. This thing hardly uses any power. Look at that with a good acceleration. Well, we're pulling 120 amps now. This thing could have 100. Oh, look at all these birds. Oh, you better slow up for these birds. Look at this.
Vultures.
Oh, is that a deer?
Yeah, and it smells so bad, and we don't have a roof or windows. Oh.
So back to showing how many amps we're using. Oh, yeah, we were pulling 160 there.
We're going 60 kilometers. So.
Man, this is weird how nice this turned out.
Yeah.
And this is the golden motor. It's funny now that I'm in the passenger seat.
You feel a little
it's
unsafe.
like, oh boy, Sarah.
Yeah,
I didn't think you were such a race car driver.
I know it.
Look at that. So we could cruise along on about 30, 40 amps, 50 amps. And so at 50, well, it might have 2 hours in. Yeah, so probably about 100-mile range of regular driving,
yeah.
not golf cart driving. Well, it's funny how it takes the corners, huh?
Yeah.
Doesn't it feel like it really
takes it better than my SUV?
Well, I don't know if that's saying much. An SUV is not known
like
for
this
its
throttle situation.
Look at that, 300. You're up to 300. Oh, that was good. I want to see what it'll do.
I wouldn't do that to a poor car. It's the throttle.
Give it some juice. You were up.
There's only 2 votes, all right?
Yeah, we have to work on that throttle.
Yeah.
Gonna go down all the way to, what is it, Boondocks?
Yeah, I guess so. And turn around there.
I bet if we pull into Boondocks, we'd have some people looking.